I'm so sorry when I run. I'ma bite my tongue. Looks like, only I can get shit done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm so sorry when I run. Wait until the fall comes. I got tracks on deck, so I put these girls back on red. Yeah. Bombshell at my crib, right when it's all done. I wish that she left. Been thinking with my dick too much. These critics give me lip too much. Yeah, so I punch holes in the wall until my fist bleeds. See my finger on the trigger like, would they miss me? I'm about my tongue. Looks like only I can get shit done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm so sorry when I run. I'm about my tongue. Looks like only I can get shit done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm sorry.
Vicious on the mic, bitches on my dick. I don't have the time, ambitious as it gets. Competition switch, I stay uninvolved. They think I'm unaware, I'm suspicious of it all. Yeah, ain't no telling who is who. People wanna tell me about myself, I wonder who are you? Yeah, probably not what you claim. Money coming and go, all I got is my name. Feel like I fuck with nobody if you weren't there from the jump. How could you ever relate? How could you ever live up? So I put everyone behind the 8-ball and put up the great wall, so I don't get surprised when you go AWOL. Ulterior motives, I can always tell. I be on my own shit, I've been doing well. Y'all be having angles, I don't trust a soul. Maybe I'm too cold lately, I be on the low with your ulterior motives. I am not the one, don't play around, don't think it's fun.